Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will discuss how to inspect and how could you know what kind of font or size is used in different websites. For example, if I'm going to make a website and I want to know for this heading, what's the font family and font weight and what are the size that has been used in this website. So what I do is I inspect that, click on this text, select this text, click right, and then select inspect. You will see there is a window that will be opened over here. So scroll down and you will see this is the font family. Poppins, font size, font weight, everything is written over here. So whenever you are going to inspect, you have to click that text or whatever it is, color or anything. Then you click on right and select inspect. This side will open on your right side of the screen and everything will be inside this styles. If you're talking about styles, you have to click on these styles and you get to know what is the font family, size, weight, color, everything. If it's not visible over here, you can scroll down and see. You will get to know about it. Okay. And now, for example, there is an image and I want to inspect that image and save it on my side. What I'll do is I'll click on that image. Similarly, click on inspect. Now, this image is actually on the background. So what I do is I'll inspect over here on the start of this section so that all the section is selected. Or one more thing you can do is there's an arrow button over here. Click on it and just click over here. It will automatically select the whole section. So you will get to know in, here it is. This is the image. Okay. Click on this image. It will open in a new window. Again, right click and save image as. And this is how you can save the image in your computer and then click on save. Similarly, we can inspect everything. For example, these icons, I want to inspect them or I want to take the color out of them. So you can click on this color. Even you can copy this color like this, like the dropper. This is a dropper and go over here. Click on it. Now click on it and this is copied. You can also copy and copy from here and paste in your page wherever you want. So there are multiple techniques to inspect and to save it on your side. Everything can be inspected. Okay, everything, whatever is on this website, you can get to know about it by inspecting. I hope everything is clear, and that's all for now. Allah Hafiz.